Welcome back to my channel. This is Anmol, and today we will discuss about the uh, more advanced terminal commands here. In the last video we discussed the beginners the command. um, so here I will discuss like more terminal commands. So today just open, as we discussed in the previous video, in the spotlight search, write a terminal and click to open it. So like you guys can see, like this is a lot of mess here. So what I will use a command, it's clear, to clear it. Yeah, so the first command we learned today, it's clear. And if I want to remove my directory pathway, like all the nested directories, like when you want to remove an entire directory that might contain other directories or the files, then we have to use rm r. So it will remove all the directory where you will turn the command. It's irreversible, unlike deleting files in the Finder and being able to restore them from the trash. When this command is executed, all the files and directory inside of your path you specify will be deleted immediately. So I'm not gonna use it. Alright, so in the next pathway, we have to use execute commands with super users. Yep, so this is sudo pub. So this is something like different and irrelevant for you guys, because sudo is a command that allows you to evaluate your user privilege while executing the command to administrator privileges. This is required for the some commands to run, for instance removing a file that is owned by another user. So when you have to run this command, you will see a password file appear in terminal where you will need to type your user account password to finish the command execution. So your Mac has security baked in at this core, which is why when typing a password, command line hides the characters type. For security practice, remember, okay, never type your password again and again in the field, because you guys are not seeing your password is typing on a screen, but it actually typed. All right, so if I use sudo less, so it asks me the password. Okay, password of my computer. So it tells me let's go and which folder I am, and it asks me the folder's password. So this is for the administration level things. If you want to go more deep into sudo, just comment below and I will make a big video for this where I explain all this to you. Okay, so the next command is top. With top, you will see the stats of your system updated in terminals window, such as memory, CPU, disk utilization. You will also see a running list of the top apps using the CPU, including their state, ports used, memory per app, and more, without needing to open the activity monitor app on your Mac. This one. Maybe most of you guys didn't know about the activity monitor, but this is the application which gives you all the information about your CPU, your memory, energy, disk, network. So in my CPU, all these applications are running. If I go to my memory, it tells me the how much threads per application is using, which memory is used, cache, free memory, like all these things. So if you want to see that thing here, you can use the top. Okay, just enter, and here all the thing. This is a real-time process, you guys can see. Yeah, so if you want to go back to your that position, you have to control and C. So I'm coming back to my main terminal. So the control plus C. Yeah. The next command is to quit everything, like subscreens or return to the terminal. Okay, for command that run in and executed when you end the execution of the process by pressing Q. So if I press Q, no command found that, because it's not work like that. If I go to top again, yeah, here, and I write Q, if I press Q, it gives me back here. One way is command C, sorry, command control C, sorry, control C, and the other way is go back is Q, like that. And if I want to clear all this thing, I write clear, so it clear everything. If I want to copy the content from one folder to a new folder, what I will do, we had discussed before about a file. So what if I do with the new folder? D2, okay, so I have to give the name of my folder needs. Let me go to back to cd document first. Oops, cd, yeah, cd document. Maybe I'm doing this a bad mistake. Yeah, that's fine. So what I have to write, did do my folder name is let's go again, and the folder I want to create a new and copy all the netsco files into that one. So I write copied, go. Let's see. So here we have two folders. If I go to cd copied and list, so the same file I have here. And the next command is what is. So what is, like, for example, if I'm not familiar with any command and I'm like not getting like what the purpose of the command, so what I will write what is, for example, mv. So it tells me like if I use git mv, move or rename a file. If I use simple mv, move files. Yeah. And if I use man, most commands in terminal ship with the manual that allows you to get help or look up arguments and the other information on what a command does. What manual page do you want? So this is for the manual page. I want man command, for example. Let's see. So I have no manual entry for command. If I want to exit, so this is the way to exit from everything. Process completed. So thank you guys for watching that video, and see you guys in the next video. See ya. Thank you. Bye bye.